if you want to hard reset your Xiaomi electric scooter, well, there are a few things that you need to do here. So, first things first is you may need to power off your scooter. So, make sure the scooter is completely turned off here and the light should not be on. Now, you want to place one hand on the breaker lever, another on the throttle, and be ready to press the power button. Now, you want to press and hold the breaker lever here, throttle, and power button all at the same time. Now, keep holding until you hear a signal and see 14 or another reset code on the display. Now, once the signal and the code appears, you can go and just release all the buttons here, and the scooter will completely reset, or the reset process will be automatically completed, or will be automatically started here. Now, next thing you want to do is you just need to wait for the scooter to finish restarting here, and after this, it should be restored to factory settings and be ready to use again. And yeah, so that's about it. So this one is really simple. As long as you follow the steps, you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.